5 months and 2 days after he announced their birth, Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, on Sunday, received in his palace in Ile-Ife, Osun State, twins birthed by one of his wives, Olori Tobiloba Ogunwusi. Oba Ogunwusi announced the birth of the twins, a boy and a girl, on Saturday, March 16, 2024, via his Facebook page. The royal father that day wrote, "To God be the glory, great things he has done. Hearty congratulations to the entire house of Oduduwa and Olori Tobiloba, who today birthed a prince and princess to the royal throne of Oduduwa. Mother and children are doing well to the glory of God Almighty." The monarch's post was accompanied by a picture that had him and the mother of the twins. Since their birth, the babies and their mother had lived outside the palace, but a live video watched on the Facebook page of Ooni's private secretary, Adeyeye on Sunday, showed Olori Tobiloba and the babies being ushered into the palace amidst drumming and dancing. Also in the video, Obaluk of Ife, who is next in command to Ooni, Oba Adeyeye and Lawa of Ife, the third in command to Ooni, Oba Adekola Adeyeye, were seen receiving the babies from Olori Tobiloba and one other person, whose identities could not be ascertained immediately. The two chiefs later took the babies to the royal father, where he sat. Songs eulogizing the monarch and twins could be heard, while guests that attended the ceremony were also captured in the video sitting under canopies observing the proceedings.